Hello Techie, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Solution. I want to teach you the Python as the faster way as possible and more practical way. Now before we get started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification by clicking on the bell icon. Today I am going to cover how we are going to install PyCharm. In this video I am going to show how to install PyCharm IDE on Windows 10 OS, which is the best popular IDE used to develop today, and write the Python code. Let's search in Google PyCharm download. In the first you find it the developer is JetBrains. Okay, JetBrains is the company that develop very good IDE. Okay, let's check what's the IDE that developed by JetBrains. JetBrains product. Okay, when I click on this one, JetBrains products, you will see it, right? This is PyCharm that developed by JetBrains. IntelliJ IDE is the very good IDEs that we are going to WaveStorm. ReSharper basically is that is going to use in very good intelligence to the .NET. I use that also. And you say Datalore, Golang. There's many IDE that is developed by JetBrains. Okay. Now I'm going to click this one, download PyCharm. Now we have to see two. One is professional, second one is community, right? And if you have a different OS, just like a Mac, you have to click here, and Linux you have to click here, right? We are going to install in Windows 10, then we have to click this tab. Okay, we have two versions, professional and communities, right? If you are going to use professional, you will see it, this is free trial. Means if you are going to use and download this professional version, then you have to pay to get the keys. We will go to download the community version. Okay, let's download that community version. To see it, right, this is around 293 MB files, right? It will take at least 6 to 7 minutes. For that time saving, I already download this version here. Okay, let's go and cancel this one. You see, right, we have the PyCharm community 2020.2.2. Yeah, we can say .2.2. Okay, let's double click on that. Welcome to PyCharm. Click to next. Select this one, PyCharm community version that you want to uninstall. If you see it here in my version, we have already that 2018 1.4. Okay. If you want to next, then what it will do, it will uninstall that one and install the new version. Okay. I'm going to uncheck this one. I don't want to uninstall. Click to next. You see it, right? We have the path, right? 6 program file, JetBrains, PyCharm community 2020.2. This is the path where the PyCharm is going to install. Click next. We have the 60-bit launcher. You have to check on this one. We are not going to create association, check this one, because I don't want to every file that will be .py file. Okay. Now we click on next. We have, let's check this. Click next and click install. Okay, it will take some time to install it. Till is going to install. Let's I will show the another ID that already I give you in the first videos. My last video and last previous I think so more than 20 videos that I show you. Okay, 2 plus 2, if you are going to use, okay, 4 will print. 2 multiplied by 2, you get 4. 2 divided by 2, you will get this one. Okay, but I will show you the new ways how we are going to use this one, the creating the file, all of that. When you are going to click on file, new file, okay, we have to write any code here, same like that, 2 plus 2. Okay, and click on file and save it as a module. Save as, right? and it will give you the path where I'm going to save it. just check is tech underscore solutions. Okay, it will automatically take the Python file and save it. Now when you're going to click on run module, right, what it will output 4. Print here, print 2 plus 2. Okay, file, run module, click on OK, save. See, 4 is coming, right? Now the same way we are going to use this one, open, click on open, this file text solution, you want to print hello world. Right, and control S, that will save. Click on run module, then we can print hello world. Okay, now it's clear. Now we have the difference of debug, go to file line, debugger, stack viewer, cell. If you want to restart cell, what does mean the restart cell? Okay, if you are going to type s equal to 5 and if you are going to print x, what it will print? 5. Okay, now if you are going to restart the cell, we are restarting. Okay, you say it right, this is restarted. Now if you are going to print x, it will print x is not defined. Okay, do you know why? Because I restart the cell, all the data, all the variable that we are going to start, that is going to delete it. Okay, delete the memories for all the variable. That's why is restart the cell. Okay, now it's clear. Now we'll check. Okay, now our PyCharm commit is done. Okay, PyCharm commit is installed on your computer. Please finish to close up. I am going to check this one and finish. It will run it. Okay, let's open that. It will take 30 seconds to 1 minute. If I click on Windows, till now I am going to show this one, Windows, this one Python 3.8 cell, right, and this is the path where I am store the textsolution.py file. Okay, you can have another option, configure ideally. Okay, just click on this one. Okay, you can see it, right, we have the size, we can increase and decrease it here. Okay, and now if you are going to show 2, 4, we can decrease this one. Okay, now our PyCharm is going to open it. Right, you can change the font space what you want. Okay, keys, this is all a shortcut key. General also is there. You see at the startup opening window, all the max command lines, context lines, sorry, that is there. Extension. Okay, and click if you want to change, then click on OK and apply it. Okay, I don't want to change anything here. I am going to cancel it. Right, now my this is open. Okay, click, they see here tips of the day. If you want to tip anything, you just use it, tips, basic, control as, PyCharm community suggest, click next tip, simple. It don't want to show, click on don't want to show tips. Otherwise, if you want to show, then click next. Okay, it will come. Okay, this is short way. Next tip, like that. If you don't, then close it. Okay, I already have test.py. Okay, now I'm going to create. Okay, before that I will show something here. Okay, go to file. If you don't want to check this one. Okay, this is basically the theme is Dracula. Okay, if you want to change the Dracula to light version, go to setting. Click on color scheme. See, schema is there, right? Scheme. You want to change, you can change. If you don't like this Dracula, then you can click on GitHub. Okay, it will take some. Okay, yes, it will change it. Right? Ignore this update. Click. Now file, setting, color scheme, and if you want to back to Dracula, click on this one. It will come. Apply. Yes. Then Dracula background will change. Okay. You have another hide context, apply, you see it, right? This is going to change it. IntelliJ Lite is the same highlight. Click apply, yes. Okay, this is the light version of IntelliJ. Okay, click on OK, right? Now if you are going to create new Python file, just click on this one, new Python file, give the any name, take solutions, okay, and enter. This is Python file, okay. It's going to create TechSolution.py, right? Now if you're going to type print it, when you're going to create new file, you don't have to specify .py, because PyCharm it automatically take care of .py Python file, right? Print hello world, okay. Now if you're going to run this one, just right click and run Python command, run file in Python console. Click on this, it will give you the output, right? Hello worlds is coming, right? That will come in the Python console. In other way, see, if you are going to right click and click right, this is second way that we are going to run it, right? Run text solution, you can do it here. Here is a multiple py file, you can see it, okay. Now if you want to run, just click on run, it will run once again here. Run file hello worlds, okay. I will show hello tech solutions, okay. Now run, click Ctrl S to save, and now scan this one, run it, okay. Hello tech solution, this is clear. Now if you are going to show another way, a is equal to 2, b equal to 4, print a plus b, Ctrl S, run. See, you see the text solution 1, this is hello, second time run hello text solution, third time now is 6, right? 4 plus 2 is you see it here, right? Variable a is equal to 2, b is equal to 4, all 2 plus 2, okay. Here 4, I am using the terminals, but it should be in the Python console, okay. Just like 2 divided by 2, 1.0, right? The same way how I am going to use ideally this one 3.8.2, right? Just like 2 plus 2 we are using, right? Same way we can use in the PyCharm also, 2 plus 2, import math, okay. Like this you can import any library and use it, okay. 2 4 23 comma 2, right? Is it clear? Now if you're going to create one more file, then file, new Python file, type your techie.py, enter, okay. Now if you're going to print hello techie, okay, and see, right click, run file in Python console, click. See, this is a new file techie. If you are going to multiple run, then it will create text solution 1, text solution 2, text solution 3, and now if you are going to click techie, right, and hello techie, right? You can switch it from here also, text solution, and then click run text solution. It will run text solution, not techie. It will print 2 plus 4 6, okay. Is it clear? You're going to create the new project, file, new project, and give the name of Python Tech project, okay. And if you want to switch this one, Executing Interpreter 2.7, if you want to switch what you have, you can change it from here also, Okay, if you want to different version also, right? Click on cancel, close, and if you want to create, then it will create the new project. You want to this window or new window? Okay, use in the this window only. Then it will refresh and it will open the new tech projects, right? You see it, right? Main DOS page. Now if you're going to right click, new Python file, take Python, enter. Okay, now it's created. Print hello world. Okay, now switch it here, either right click and run file in Python console. Then it will run in the Python console. Thank you so much for watching my video. I'm going to post more and more video on daily basis. So if you want to watch my video in future, just subscribe in below bell icon with all. It will notify you when my new video will come. And please don't forget to like and share.